How to go live on Twitch. What's up everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily go live on Twitch. But before we get started, I want you to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to go live on Twitch, the first thing you need to do is open up your browser and search for twitch.tv, and it will take you directly to the Twitch's official website. Now here you just have to make sure to log into your account. So on the top right, you can just tap on it to simply log into your account. To go live on Twitch, you will need a streaming service, something like OBS or Streamlabs. And once you have that set up, the first thing you need to do is find your stream key. To find it, you tap on your profile at the top right, and here on the drop down you'll find Creator Dashboard. Go ahead and tap on Creator Dashboard. And once you have done that, you will be taken to a new page where you have a bunch of options on the left-hand side of your screen. Just go ahead and find your settings menu. Go ahead and click on the drop down, and here you will find the stream option. Click on it, and on the very first thing, you will see the primary stream key. So you can just go ahead and copy your stream key. Then open any of your streaming website like OBS, or you can also use Streamlabs. And then you can just click on Start Streaming to paste the key. So just go ahead and click on this. Now on the top left, you will find your Files menu. Just click on this and then head over to the Settings. And once you pop your settings open, you can click on Stream, and here you can just paste the stream key that you've just copied and then click on OK. Now if you tap on Start Streaming, it will automatically connect your Twitch to your OBS, and you should be able to start streaming like this. So if I just tap on it, as you can see, my stream has just started and it will be visible on my channel. Now, if you want to stop, you can just go ahead and click on Stop Streaming, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.